How to make face change video on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make face change video on your Android or iOS device. So this is very trending things is going on in the internet today. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, what you need to do, you have to go to Play Store here, and after going to Play Store you have to download this application, that is Reface face swap application. So as I have already downloaded, let me just get inside this application, click on open, and then here you have to just simply click on tick these two option here. So after ticking this, just click on continue option here, and then here you can see allow Reface to take picture and record video. So simply click on allow option here. So after clicking to this allow option, what you have to do, you have to simply place your face on the camera and you have to click one picture here. So click on done, and then guys, here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So no need to worry. What you have to do, simply you just need to click on this X option on the top left of your screen, and then here you can see you will find lots of superheroes and actress and actors. So let me just go for Iron Man for now, and then just click on Iron Man option, and then here you can see I'm gonna show you something special here. So it will take a quite moment for refacing, so you have to wait until this. You can see here my face on this screen. You can see here this is something cool. So in this way you can make reface, you can change your photos in video. So this is something cool, and you can save on the gallery by clicking here and then click on allow option, and you can share this photo to this video to each and everyone. This is pretty cool. I hope this video will absolutely help you out to make photo video on Android. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.